TGIF in the house. This is your girl PJ as usual, coming to you on, yes Jay?
What? School.
Yes, we're gonna go to school, bro. Chill. Okay, so he's all excited because today's Jamaica Day. Yeah, it's in my shirt, and he's dressed up in his Jamaica Day shirt. And then we're gonna have all the eatings and rides and all of these wonderful. How come they never have Jamaica Day in a few time? And everything is a money making thing. If I pay like what $2,000 fee for wear the shirt and get, I don't know, ice cream, popsicle, and popcorn. Half of the sitting name him not gonna eat. But anyways, we're giving God thanks that we can celebrate a day today, especially in light of who I'm going to be commenting on. Jamaica College is actually going to be one of the schools that I'm introducing this morning. So without further ado, let's just introduce to you, giving God thanks for health and strength and all good things, and giving God thanks for Jamaica Day. Yes. So the schools that were featured in last night's adrenaline pumping match were Jamaica College, and they went up against Dinthill High. Now, guys, I'd like to just say how happy I am for you, Dinthill. Guys, Dinthill won! Dinthill won! The opening challenge. But the other parts, especially the speed section, I'm just jumping there. I need to give you the insight as to how everything did go. People at the proper. I just want anybody who know German out there, want to give my message. German, you did exceptionally well last night. Team Dinthill, keep your heads up. So let's jump into the opening challenge. The opening challenge had Dinthill on 7 and Jamaica College on 5. Yes there?
School.
Can't bother with this youth this morning. Easy there, brethren. We're going to school, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. And we're gonna get popcorn and food and all of these things, right?
Okay.
All right. So just bill. All right. Easy. Oh, God. Where was I? So Dinthill was on 7 and Jamaica College was at 5. So I'm telling you, the people them start off on a good note, and they were out of the starting blocks very early. The speed section was very critical, people. They equalized after the first minute, that is Jamaica College, to end on 13 after the first minute. They ended on, they tied at 13 on the first minute. At the end of the second minute of the speed section, them type on 20. They say, well, this is a real steeplechase. No, the third minute of the speed section was where JC take off like the English pound on the stock exchange, for the financial exchange market. The people them do a piece of press gas like a puppy taxi. The man them close out the run pan 30. So in the 1 minute in the speed section for Jamaica College, the man them rack up 10 points. Dinthill was on 24, so it ended on 30 to Jamaica College and 24 to Dinthill. So say enough to try catch up. This is literally like giving a sort of a poil, a jump start for going the buzz around. No sir, them all. Now the buzz around, boy, Dinthill only did have it really rough. They said people, the Jamaica College man, they sharp one more time. That's why, despite the controversy with Cornwall College, may I tell you, may I root for them. May I root for them people. I know the intricacies and the details yet. Come and see season round 3 yet play with 2 of them, but may I tell you, the man them hungry. Like them not eat for about like dog one and for about 50 days, right? Not that I'm calling the young men dogs, but me just say, them mean business. Me say at one point, by the time the chemistry question start and say, what is the fuss? Boop, the man just press. And I saw the man has a real have to think them, right? The subject knowledge areas, the coverage by the GSC team, stupendous. And And even watching the buzz around, I'm looking at Dinthill faces. It's not that a case that them beat them to the buzzer. It's a case where them never know some of the answers there, man. When JC buzzing, may I tell you, record-breaking buzzing. No, the match ended on 38-24, but that 38 could have been actually 42. Them last two questions, and they never need to say nothing. Could I just allow it and make it go on? But I guess they can't afford to take them chance there when the gap was so wide, the variance was so expanded. But I'm gonna leave a story with you, Dinthill. I'm gonna leave a story with you. When I went for my driver's license, I remember I went to the board 3 times before I got my license. Yep. The first time I failed was the day of the exam. Pjaden, stop talking to the car. Stop talking to the car. Yes, so on the day of the exam, the instructor had changed the vehicle. So unfortunately, I didn't have time to practice with it, and he changed the vehicle to an Escort. In back in them days, guys, I was practicing on a Mini, and for the old school people, the clutch on an Escort is like a mile away from the floor. So to learn how to sync and balance and all of these things, I didn't have time. So I failed hill start, I failed reverse, I failed parking, I failed everything, and I was petrified. I was traumatized. I said, "Nah, go back." But my father a policeman, so you know, so I couldn't buy the license. So the next time I went back to the depot, I passed hill start, but I failed reverse and I failed parking. So in my mind, I was like, God, if I could just come out of this blasted yard and go up under the road test. It just, it was like the promised land for try and leave the yard. So Dinthill, and the third time, which is the time I passed on my third attempt. I went through with confidence and with ease, and I felt good when I passed all the stuff in the yard. Now, folks, Dinthill. So it's a similar scenario for Dinthill. You know, you pass hill start, you pass reverse, but you fail parallel parking. You know, it's like you can't leave the yard. Come, I want to the up and touch the road. The road test in this case is like the quarterfinals. I want to leave the yard. All of these rounds, I want to put it behind her and just get to the road. Yeah? So I've been seeing your steady progress since you started this season and even from before. So well done. Kudos to the coaches. As I said, especially the buzzer round, is not like, you know, we're beaten to the buzzer. Is you never know enough to basically combat or kick out JC foot. So guys, on that note, Jamaica College, all the best. Dinthill, walk good. Guys, all the best in your pursuits in terms of academics. I don't know if you're going to leave the school and go on to college, but there's a bright future waiting. That's awaiting every single member of that team. So I'm extremely proud of your performance. I love the speed section, guys. I love the opening challenge. Absolutely remarkable. And on that note, guys, have a really great rest of the Friday and a fabulous weekend, guys. Jamaica, George is playing Jago this evening, so you know, say it's gonna be a popcorn moment. I'll try restrain myself from dealing with laugh. But anyway, guys, walk good, and I'll see you all. Toodles.